Ka District Commerce and Industries Center Dcic Bhoi hakar pusau tarik jeliu kala Pynlong yaka capacity building workshop Halor ka Skhim Unnati 8,000 pusau Uttar Purva Transformative Industrialization Scheme nagabenta kinong bay pisa bat kinong sengkam sengjam hapo district. Kani ka workshop kalong ban ajing tip ka babanya Halor ki jing mentoy ki kendon terekam bat kilat jing yarap ki badan hapo kani ka scheme balaturwa da ka sarkar India. Ka Skhim Unnati 8,000 pusau kadai ka wei ki scheme bakong san ban kenti wi ka roi ka pa hakaliang ka kikar khana hakathan chate lammingi daga batmu ban kring ni kinong bay pisa ban kenti wi ki kam khai pateng bat ban thau wi ki lat yo kam yo jang lengba kani ka scheme kinong bay pisa kinla ban yo jing bantoy lengba ki jing yarap pisa kum ki subsidy jing yarap hakasut airam ki jing bantoy bayade bat ka goods and service tax GST pat ki wei ki jinit ki jinan. Hakani ka program ladan lang uba Silingdo Deputy Director Planning Department uba GFW Pariat General Manager Dcic Bhoi ringkat bat ki officer naka Department for Promotion of Industries and Internal Trade New Delhi ki bala ajing pensyai Halor ki bantaba pher jongkani ka scheme bat ki lat jing rap ki ba lapan kre daga sarkar India.
Through financial assistance, there is capacity building and institutional support. The scheme aims to transform promising business ideas into successful enterprises. For a state like Meghalaya, where youths and our investors have immense talent, creativity and entrepreneurial skills, the Unnati scheme presents a significant opportunity. Our strengths, which comprises in agriculture, food processing, tourism, handicrafts, handlooms, information technology, renewable energy, and other emerging sectors can be leveraged across the state to create a vibrant local enterprises and contribute to the state's economic growth. But my genuine request that the success of this scheme totally depends not only on financial support, but also on its effective implementation. That is why today's capacity building workshop is very, very important. That's what I initially believe, is that it provides a platform for all of you, especially my dear investors who are present today and those potential investors who are still in the pipeline, to get a first-hand knowledge and awareness on how to implement the scheme. And it also provides all our stakeholders to gain a clear understanding of the scheme's objectives, its eligibility criteria, its operational guidelines, and its best practices. So I encourage, on behalf of the Department of Commerce and Industries, to make the most use of this workshop by actively engaging with our resource persons from DBIT, asking questions, sharing your experiences, and discussing practical solutions to our implementing challenges. Our collective effort will ensure that the benefit of the scheme reaches our deserving entrepreneurs in a timely and transparent manner. Let us work together to create an ecosystem that nurtures entrepreneurship, supports innovation, and empowers our youth and investors to become job creators rather than job seekers. By doing so, we will not only strengthen individual livelihoods, but also contribute to the sustainable economic development of Meghalaya and the northeastern region in general. So I extend my sincere appreciation to the organizers, that is to the whole team of the Dcic, District Commerce Industries Nambor, and also the DPI team who are present today, and all the participants and investors for the commitment to make this workshop a success.